Hey, let me show you a few tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And first of all, we are going to start from my favorite function. Right here, we can find the voice controls. We can control the music playback. Now I'm gonna input them inside my ears and take a look how it works. Let's input this one. Start playing, start music. Wait a minute, it was play music, okay. Play music, stop music. Volume up, turn next song, turn previous song. There we go. So as you can see, you don't even have to reach for your device. If you are using phone or tablet, you can actually adjust the playback straight from your earbuds. That's a really amazing feature. I really like it. I'm using this when I'm at home alone. And next, by the way, I want to mention that it only works in the English and Korean. It's not available currently in the other languages. Probably they are gonna add later Spanish, French, German, some other, popular languages. And now I want to show you second option that will be available here. So if you feel that the sound it doesn't actually fit your preferences, you can find here the sound equalizer. And right here you can find 6 default presets. In my opinion, the best one is the dynamic, bass boost, and clear. So if you are listening something and you want to increase the music experience, try to use this sound equalizer because it will definitely improve your listening experience. Now we can also find a bunch of the normal physical controls. So if you want to still adjust some media controls, but you don't want to actually talk to yourself, for example, you are outside, you are in the train where there's a lot of people, you can still play and pause by pinching left or the right earbud. You've got double pinch for next track, triple pinch for the previous track, and you can swipe up and down to control the volume. We can find here also option to quickly turn on and off the noise cancellation mode. And for example, you can enable the ambient sound if you want. And you can set it for the left and the right earbud. But also we can wake the voice assistant. So you've got the digital assistant. So in this phone, I will actually wake the Google Assistant. But if I'm gonna use my Samsung phone, I will activate my Bixby. And also we can pick up calls. So we can answer a call and end call by pinching or decline call. Next, I want to show you something that it's available also for the normal Android devices and Samsung. So we can actually enable to read notifications aloud. So we don't actually have to grab your phone because this will actually read the notifications for you, and you can actually set it for every application that you have on your phone. You can quickly allow all applications if you want by tapping on the switcher. And next, we can actually find that's actually like pretty useful option to stretch your neck. So if we actually hand over our phone or desk and our head tends to lean forward, it will actually cause the back and neck health issues over time. And the earbuds can actually detect our head position and notify us when we bend our head downward for 10 minutes. And also I want to show you 2 options that are only available in the Samsung phones. So if you actually watching something and you feel like there's small delay, you can actually find the low latency mode. It's called the game mode, and it will actually improve this audio delay when you are watching something or playing the games. And also we can find here the 360 audio. It's known as spatial audio, and it will be available in the earbud settings, I believe. And it should be, wait a minute, I just lost it. No, it should be actually in the sound quality and the effects. And here we can find the 360 audio. So it's pretty useful if you have ever used the AirPods from Apple, and they have like really nice working spatial audio. It works also really nice. So keep it in mind that you can actually turn it on and even enable the head tracking. And this is all. In my opinion, this is the best tips and tricks that you can use for the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.